What if I told you that right now, thousands of people in the US are quietly making money with AI side hustles? And in the next 12 months, this opportunity might vanish forever? If you don't act, you'll just be a spectator in the biggest wealth shift of our generation. In the past 30 days, I tested 3 AI side hustles myself. And what I found shocked me, because some of them looked like fast tracks to freedom. And others felt like ticking time bombs. Let's break it down, one by one. Side hustle number 1, AI freelancing with ChatGPT and MidJourney. Imagine this, a small business owner in Texas needs product images, ad copy, and social media posts every week. Normally, they'd hire an agency and pay thousands. But now, you, sitting at your laptop, can deliver all of it using AI tools in a single day. I tried this. I went on Fiverr and Upwork, set up a profile, and offered AI-enhanced content creation. Within a week, I had my first client. What would have taken me 10 hours, AI finished in less than 1. The crazy part? People don't care if you're using AI. They care about speed and results. Some freelancers are making $2,000, $5,000 per month doing this full-time. But here's the risk: if you wait too long, this market will be flooded, and competition will crush you. The window is open, but it won't stay open forever. Side hustle number 2, YouTube automation with AI avatars. This one feels like a Netflix-level opportunity. I started a faceless YouTube channel, all run by AI. Script? Written by ChatGPT. Voiceover? AI voice. Video editing? Stock footage plus AI avatars. Here's the suspense: in the first week, nothing happened. Zero traction. But then, video number 5 suddenly exploded with 10,000 views in just 48 hours. And that's where the money comes in, because once you cross YouTube's monetization line, every single view turns into passive income. Some channels in this niche are pulling $10,000 plus per month. But here's the danger: if you think this is set and forget, you'll fail. You need to test thumbnails, titles, and content style like crazy. If you're consistent, this could be the most powerful side hustle of the decade. If you ignore it, someone else will own the traffic you could have had. Side hustle number 3, AI-powered trading and research tools. This one feels risky, but also insanely powerful. Hedge funds and Wall Street firms are already using AI to scan markets faster than any human. But now, normal people can use AI-powered platforms that predict patterns, scan stock trends, and even generate trade ideas. I tested one of these tools. Within minutes, it gave me insights that used to take hours. Did it make me a millionaire? No. But I saw firsthand how AI could make an average trader much sharper. The suspense here is simple: AI trading tools are like giving you a Ferrari on a racetrack.
If you know how to drive, you'll fly. If not, you'll crash. Some users doubled their side income. Others lost everything. The opportunity is massive, but only if you learn before jumping in. So what does this all mean? Here's the big reveal: AI side hustles are not coming soon. They're already here. Every single day you wait, someone else is building channels, landing clients, or taking trades that could have been yours. In fact, experts predict the AI economy will create $16 trillion of new wealth by 2030. The question is, are you going to grab your slice, or watch others cash out while you stay stuck? Here's my prediction: within the next 12 months, the easy money opportunities will vanish. Just like crypto in 2017, or dropshipping in 2020, the early movers will win big, the latecomers will be left with scraps. So if you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. AI isn't slowing down. It's only getting faster. The only thing left to decide is whether you'll be part of the story, or just another viewer. Subscribe to be smart with your money.